Guys, have you ever wanted to turn your car into a flying car? I'm going to make it simple for you today. We're going to remove the axles and see if we can't make this car fly. I'm just kidding. We're going to take the axles off, get ready to do a frame. Join us this episode of Clyde's Mechanical. Welcome back to Clyde's Mechanical. And today we're actually going to work on some vehicle related stuff. And it's up my wheelhouse. We're going to tear some stuff down. And that's what I'm looking forward to. If y'all remember from the last video, we took the body off and we just kind of parked it, leave it here. But we have plans for this one. My father, well, us as a family, we have a Bronco, early Bronco. And the frame that's on the Bronco now is a 70, I want to say it's a 71 Sport. It's in pretty rough condition. This one's a little better condition, still got some rust problems. We'll go over that one once we get it all tore down. But yeah, we're going to tear this one down to the bare frame so we can get to work on fixing some of the problems I see throughout it. Then we'll clean it off, get it prepped for a little bit of rust preventative, and start putting parts back on it. And this is going to, everything's coming off. It's going to get new brake lines, new fuel lines, new exhaust, all that stuff. So everything's going to come off of it at this moment. But right now what we're after is to get the frame off, get it set on the trailer. Big bag of tools out. And the goal with this thing is to get it out of here, be ready by Thanksgiving. That's my goal. So if everything goes to plan, we'll be able to get this joker out of here in time for Papa to come up for Thanksgiving and take this thing. Of course, whenever you take shocks off, you want a good pair of vice grips. Hold that thing. There we go. We may end up placing some shock towers too, I'm not sure. These two shock towers are going. These two are going to stay. I think we're going back to a single shock setup. So yeah, these two right here stay. We may replace them, but they're going to stay, and we'll do away with these right here. Shocks are loose. We can break these loose. And this one we're going to get the speed wrench, your control arm. Not control arms, but these arms back here. I'm really surprised that thing moved on me. I like to get a good grip on this thing the first turn. Get on this old stuff. You're gonna have to wrestle some of it out. That's okay. That's okay. All right. Next, we're going to try to get the track bar dropped down. Then we're going to take the proportion valve off, and last thing we're going to do is the spring. We'll take the retainer off those two springs right there, and the front end should be ready to come off. There we go. Like it weren't nothing. Like it weren't nothing. See when we get it lifted up, can we get it off? All right. Now when you get ready to take these spring bolts off, stand behind it. Don't just stand in front of it, stand behind it. Try to take the back one off first. Take the other two loose. Just don't stand this side of it. Stand to the side of it until you do. There we go. Now let's pull this proportionate valve off. There we go. There we go. Get that thing dropped down there. So everything's moved this way. Now I think it's time to start jumping on the back side of this thing. We're gonna jump these to the side. Let's save them old glass packs for something else. How about that? We're not even gonna try to go too far with that brake line. We're just gonna cut it. What I'm trying to do is get all this other crap off here. Damn. Like I've been shaving with that knife. Tried the old speed wrench on there, just want to slide. See if I can get some teeth on this pipe wrench to grab hold of that socket. That nut right there. There we go. Come on, boy, grab a hold of it. Something's gonna give. Maybe the pipe wrench. Nope. Nope. I think we're gonna have trouble out of all of them jokers, so we're gonna go ahead and take the shocks loose. Then we'll run up there and get the drop cord and the Big Daddy skid saws on. See if we can't make magic happen. It's always little stuff wants to wrestle with you, you know what? There we go. Down there. That down there. Probably what I end up doing is just cutting them shackles right there. All right, if you guys are noticing, I'm bespectacled now. Means I got glasses on. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna cut these U-bolts right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the U-bolts off. Get that poison ivy out your way, don't get it all in your mouth. That shit don't taste good. But what I'm gonna do is cut these U-bolts off right quick. All right. I sound like William Shatner when I talk. I don't know why. Like I can't get a full sentence out to save my life. That is going to about do us for today. We got a lot accomplished today. You see over here our rear end and front end is off. We've accomplished taking the frame apart. The frame is there. Of course I had to cut the, when this thing gets in the shop, we're going to try to save this thing. It's not horribly bad. Like I said, there's a few spots in there that's soft that we need to replate, and we're going to go ahead and order parts and get it ready, so the next time you'll see this, we'll be repairing this frame. But I got it sitting on the trailer, so when I get ready I can pull it up to the house, unload it with the tractor, put it in the garage, and that way I can take the rest of this junk off and give it a really fine-tooth inspection. Of course, you see the back side, you see the mounts right here. We'll pull that bumper. You want this stuff, especially with a bumper on here and you plan on pulling anything, you want this stuff sturdy, because it will snatch that frame in half. Get it blowed off, get it prepped, and that's it. But that's going to do us today. Remember, if you don't know what you're doing, just pretend like you do.